As you may already know, from the three bundleless product types Fast Bundle offers, the single bundleless product is the only type that is an actual product on your shop, which has its own SKU in stock. And the way this works is that it gets added to the cart as one single product, and you also see this as a single product in checkout. Basically, this is no different from any other individual product on your shop. However, the issue with this is that once you place an order with this type of bundle, it comes into the order as one single product with its own SKU, which you can change, by the way, and you can see what's included in the bundle and what has to be included in the package to be sent out. But you cannot see the individual SKUs for each product, and this may create issues for your fulfillment, logistics, and packaging systems. With the post-purchase order split feature that is available to you on the Enterprise plan, if an order is placed through the online sales channel, Fast Bundle edits it to remove the bundle product and then adds the items themselves with their SKUs. So you get to have the bundle as a single product on your shop and for your customers, but you also get to use this feature and have a seamless experience for your logistics and fulfillment systems and processes. Be sure to ask support for this feature's activation and its different modes.